But seriously though, like, I'm just like trying to imagine me like telling somebody like, yeah. So then I put it in the oven and I looked at the cheesecake wrapper and it said 8 ounces and I was supposed to use 16. So then I went all the way to the grocery store. Oh, not even all the way, but so then I went back to the grocery store to get more cream cheese to come back while I'm mixing it. The freaking the egg pops out the bowl onto the countertop. Then what happened after that?
Son, I don't know.
The cream cheese wasn't even freaking room temperature. Like, Britton had to beat it to get the lumps out. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I'm Taja.
And I'm Britton.
And today we are back with another video. So by now, we're sure you all have already watched our Jamaica vlogs. We posted 2 room tours and a week-long activity vlog of like all the things that we did at the resort and the activities that we did off of the resort. Be sure to go over there if you haven't and check those out, comment, leave us some love, make sure you like it. Today, we are making pumpkin cheesecake.
So if you can't tell, this one right here loves pumpkin anything.
I love pumpkin. Like, this is my favorite time of year. Like, I just love pumpkin. Right now, I'd probably have a pumpkin spice latte in my hand, but I gave it up for the rest of the year because I am trying to lose some weight. But this is just gonna be a little treat for me and Britton, and I'm definitely gonna make my friends try it. So if y'all watching this, I'm gonna be calling y'all in a few hours to get some pumpkin cheesecake. So let's just dive right in. All right, y'all, so these are my ingredients for it. I got this recipe from like TikTok and I kind of like tweaked it myself to like make it what I want it to be or what I think is gonna be good. So this is like some of my little notes over here, so just ignore this. But of course, for the crust, we have graham crackers, we have butter, which I need to melt, sugar. For the actual cheesecake, we have we have cream cheese, we got my pumpkin puree, nutmeg, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, pure vanilla extract. It's a little bit in here, so I bought another one just to make sure I have enough. And I have some brown sugar because I think I'm gonna put some brown sugar in my pumpkin part of my cheesecake. So the first thing I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do, oh, and another thing, I tried to write down measurements so that like it could be duplicated, but if anything changes from what I'm trying right now, I'm gonna let you know in the description box. But first I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of butter. So we're just gonna go ahead and get that ready and I'm gonna melt that. That's about a half a stick of butter. Bam.
Oh yeah.
I'm just cutting it real quick. Probably like 30 seconds. Next, I'm gonna start mashing my graham crackers. Hopefully we have enough. All I had is 1 pack of graham crackers left.
Dang, that's all we got?
That's all we got. But I also bought little pans, so I feel like it's gonna be enough, yeah. So to do that, all I'm gonna do is just put my graham crackers right on in my Ziploc bag. But it's not really Ziploc, y'all. It's fake Ziploc. I'm gonna put my graham crackers in here and I'm just gonna mash it. Well, I just love everything about like the fall. It's like when fall comes, it's like you already know life is just about to get great. Like you get pumpkin, you get, what else happens in the fall? You get pumpkin, you get apple pie, Thanksgiving. Oh, you're talking about the holidays. I was thinking about like the food. But yeah, definitely the holidays, all the holidays. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Christmas right around the corner. Before Christmas, my birthday. Before that, our dating anniversary and our proposal anniversary. I think I said this like last Vlogmas about how I just love this time of year. Y'all, it has to be.
You want to put in like a blender or something?
I don't think you can blend it. I think we maybe would have used like a food processor, but yeah, this is doing it. Yeah, Brittany been in the gym. This is a homemade graham cracker crust.
Yes, sir.
That looks about good, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Cool. So all I'm gonna do is just take that and I'm gonna put that into my bowl. I should have took more bowls out because this is gonna require multiple bowls. I'm gonna put that in my bowl, and then I'm gonna get rid of that because I don't want to make it all junky in here. The next thing you want to do,
put the butter in, right?
Put the butter in. Do they use a spoon for that?
What, to mix it?
Don't ignore that. Ignore that, yo. The next thing you want to do is add your butter. I'm gonna just start by adding a little bit because I want to make sure that I'm doing enough. This is how you get your, I'm just gonna use it all. I think that was the right measurement. And another thing that I want to do to this butter, we have like a little brown sugar left. I'm just gonna sprinkle some into my graham cracker crust because I just want like a little bit of sweetness. I wish these were like, because some people, they use like golden grams for their crust. Not golden grams, Teddy grams. Teddy grams. They use like Teddy grams. So it's like their crusts have like some sort of sweetness. But these are just regular honey graham crackers. So cinnamon graham crackers would probably be like really, really good. But yeah, adding this little brown sugar is probably just gonna do exactly what we want. Should I put a little bit of vanilla?
No, you can save it for the cake part.
This is looking good. You think this is looking?
Is it wet enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
You think I gotta be able to stick together.
Yeah, like don't it look like it will? Oh.
I guess so.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that was the right measurement.
All right, so 1 quart of butter, 1 pack of graham crackers.
Yeah. Just gonna spray that. And we're going to add the crust. The crust. Oh, this is more than enough.
Thick crust. It's gonna be a thick crust.
Just packing it on in.
Put some more over here. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. I think this was right. Of course it's right. Like.
Of course it is.
I'm a master chef.
Master chef.
All right, y'all, so we are back. I got that situated. I did a little bit of the prep work. I have my 1/2 cup of my pumpkin puree. I did like a little bit more than 1/2 cup because I just love pumpkin. I want it to be good, but I just set that aside. The next thing that we're gonna do is take our cream cheese and put that into the bowl. So you want your cream cheese to be room temperature because that makes it easier for you to mix it. And I've set this out already, so it's about room temperature. Y'all ever ate pumpkin out the can before?
That sounds disgusting.
Why is it disgusting?
It's like baby food.
It tastes good.
Like you just eat. It's like just eating the inside of a pumpkin, ain't it?
Well, we're gonna be eating it because I'm not about to waste that pumpkin. And I'm gonna get every bit of this. Okay, so you wanna take the cream cheese. Then you want about half a cup of sugar.
Okay, no measurement, okay. Master chef.
I mean, this could have been a little bit more softened, but that's okay. You want to do about maybe 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I like vanilla. I like that. You want to just most people have a blender.
Yeah, it looks like that would come in handy about now. So yeah, it looks like that would come in handy about now.
Not a blender, a mixer. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, that's what that's what it's automatic.
Yeah. But I mean, this probably would mix a little bit better if I had set it out a little sooner than I did. But as you see, it is it's mixing.
Oh, that thing thick. Look at that thick.
Yeah, so like that. Y'all gotta be patient with me. Gotta be patient with me, okay? It's gonna be good. That's all.
Is it because it's too cold?
That's what I think. I think that's why it's not mixing as easily. But
you gotta listen to your own advice. Said make it room temperature.
Yeah, but I don't want to wait any longer. I'm gonna start with 1 egg. They said you want to put your eggs in slowly.
Was that a one-handed egg crack? Dang.
I'm a master chef.
Dang, son.
I'm a master chef. Don't play with her. She's not one of them. Okay. Here we go. Doing what we needed to do.
1 egg.
I feel like I should only use 1 egg.
Why? It's starting to look eggy?
Yeah. This is the consistency that you want. This liquidiness, I feel like, is good. But the recipe did call for 2 eggs, so I guess we're just gonna do it, okay? It's thickening.
Probably use another one.
A little bit more.
Oh, more sugar. Uh-oh, whoa.
It looks like a lot, but that really was not a lot, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Whoever doubted me, I just want you to know that don't play with me.
You're not one of them.
I'm not one of them. I am not one of them, okay? Now that we've incorporated that, woo, y'all. Ain't that crazy? I told Britton been in the gym when he was cracking the graham crackers. He see me struggling to beat this cream cheese.
I mean, who's gonna record the video for you?
Okay. All right, y'all. First off, I'm just so excited that Britton even is here for me, making this, y'all. He really does not even really like pumpkin.
Yeah, I could take it or leave it for him. But I know it's your favorite.
It is my favorite. Another thing, a pinch of salt.
Just a pinch.
Don't ask me why. It's just the recipe just said it. So that's what you're gonna do, okay? A pinch of salt. You're supposed to do remember, pinch of salt, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, room temperature cream cheese, and this, my friend, is what you want.
gonna find out.
We gonna see. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just take a little bit of this out because I want to save some of the white for the bottom, and the top is just gonna be all pumpkin. So I'm just gonna pour some of this into this bowl. That looks good. That looks like it's enough, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
That's enough. Excuse the mess, y'all. And now is the fun part. We're gonna make our pumpkin part. So just take your half a cup of
pumpkin puree.
Pumpkin puree. I feel like I want to add some more because why not?
I think it's enough.
But it needs to really give pumpkin.
I'm sure it will. Put all that pumpkinness in there.
We're gonna do some cinnamon. It's a lot of cinnamon. I'm gonna do a little bit of nutmeg.
Nutmeg, ain't that spicy?
But it goes with cinnamon. And it goes with pumpkin.
Okay.
I'm gonna do some pumpkin pie spice.
Oh, the secret ingredient.
Yes. I knew y'all didn't see that coming. And what I'm gonna do is a pinch of brown sugar to my pumpkin part. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh. First of all, it smells so good. Like, Britton, you have to get this. Okay, so now that we have this whipped up and we have the plain one whipped up, we're just gonna assemble them into the pan. I don't know, y'all, it's looking a little bit watery, but I'm not too worried because I feel like it will thicken up. So we'll see.
That's crazy. It was so thick before when you was like mixing it.
Yeah, it was so thick. This was not enough.
That'd be the skinniest cheesecake I've ever seen.
This was not enough. I should have did more. Dang, so you're not even gonna notice the white part. I should have did the white on the top.
No, okay. Just spread it a little bit. This will be a thin little layer.
I didn't see it. Well, yeah, it's not that thin, right? I don't know.
It's okay.
Yeah, I think it's gonna thicken. Maybe that's what the salt does.
Pinch of salt, working magic. We shall see.
I'm gonna just go ahead and pour my pumpkin portion in here. I don't even want y'all to see me pour this in here because I'm feeling like I did something wrong. Well, okay, what y'all cheesecakes be looking like? I am not a baker.
They said not like that. So,
I'll just pray for this cheesecake, okay?
Sorry, Master Chef, you got it. I have faith.
I'm just gonna take my little bit that's left and just like try to get it like a little swirl. Cause y'all ain't see that coming. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do a little bit of pumpkin pie spice.
Bro, you're just shaking all over the table.
You
need help?
No.
That was loose.
We're gonna put it in the oven on 325 for like 40 minutes. And in 40 minutes, we're gonna check on it and take it out the oven, and then I guess you have to let it cool, and then you're supposed to sit in the fridge for like a few hours. So hopefully in all of that process, this thickens up and becomes what it's supposed to become. But stay tuned. Y'all, I have ready to put this in the oven, and then I realized like I made a really big mistake. So I don't know if you probably obviously not supposed to do this, but I'm about to take this mixture off of here because I was supposed to use 16 ounces of cream cheese and I only used 8 ounces of cream cheese. So, bruh, I need to, oh dang, I might need to do the whole thing over.
Dang, what a fail, bro. You can't even follow your own instructions, bro. What happened to Master Chef, man?
Y'all, I think I'm just gonna try to salvage this, and I'm about to run and get some cream cheese like really, really quick.
Okay. Embarrassing.
This is crazy. But I'm feeling like, did I already mess up the graham cracker crust because it's already freaking... Y'all, it's like, I was about to put, I'm putting it in the oven and I'm like, this is so wet. Like, how much cream cheese did I use? Look at the packaging. 8 ounces. I cannot believe this. Y'all, I am a whole joke. I just now left Wegmans and I'm about to run home to start over. Like, it's like I knew something was off, but I just kept thinking like, it'll fix itself. And then literally, like, I put it in the oven. It was like 1 minute. I'm like, what did that box say? 8 ounces. This is what I got. I got some more eggs because I'm running out of eggs. This time I got the cinnamon graham crackers, 16 ounces of cream cheese this time. Some cinnamon, and they didn't have the same brand for the pumpkin spice, but I just got this other brand, pumpkin pie spice. This is just some like other little random stuff that we get. Y'all have to try these. These are so good. Like, just serve it over rice. It's really good, and we need to catch up, but okay. These don't seem like it's the same. Not a graham cracker. Oh shoot! Just stuck it right.
No. Shit, I messed up the circuit breaker. No.
You saying you don't want to do it no more? Brittany told me everything about this video was bad. This is a...
Taj, you're not even measuring. What are you doing?
I don't need to measure.
Yeah, you need to read your recipe. Make sure you don't forget nothing.
Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you doing this to me? Okay, nobody gotta try it if they don't want to. It's taking a lot more whipping this time because my cream cheese was not as cold as it should have been.
You mean it was too cold?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, tired. That's no baby.
It's not my best work, y'all.
I'm gonna stand aside. You want to put the other egg in there?
Yeah, but you think it's ready for it?
I mean, yeah, it'll make it looser. You want me to do it?
Huh?
You want me to do it?
Want to? You want to make the rest?
Save you some energy. You look tired. You look tired. You look stressed.
Because this is just like, this is just not it, y'all. It's not it at all.
Put your hands away. For real, bro? Son, what? Yeah. Alright, this video is over. Mo. Son, didn't I just realize I just said boop?
Y'all, like.
What do you have to say for yourself? It's still stirring. Like ain't nothing happened. The whole yolk is right here.
Oh my goodness, gracious, y'all. This is just not it. Bacon is not my thing. Bacon is not my thing. All right, so round two, ran in the pan, got my new crust. I'm literally just like, yeah. This has just been crazy, but we move. Look at that, perfect, perfect, perfect. And this time, y'all, it's the it's the cinnamon flavored graham crackers. So you know what? It's probably better that we started over anyway, cause that's what it was. It's because the graham crackers wasn't right. If the graham crackers was the cinnamon ones, then everything would have worked out. So make sure you got the cinnamon graham crackers if you want yours to go good.
Crazy.
That looks really good. What y'all think? Nice and flat. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do, I should have had another bigger bowl. Oh, y'all, look at this. This is what we wanted. This is what we wanted. Thank God. Also, thanks for the muscle work and getting the lumps out. So I'm just gonna do like 2 of these little ones because I just don't even feel like getting my bowl. just do that. Y'all, in here.
Why'd you do what?
Put those in there. I should just put them on top of the cheesecake. I mean, on top of the thing.
On top of the bread?
Yeah, the crust. We're gonna take our pumpkin puree.
Damn, that's a lot.
I knew we were gonna throw it away.
Like, bruh, you're supposed to use the measurement.
I don't need no measurements. The measurements is what got us here.
No, it's not. You're not following the measurements is what got us here.
We did take it out. Nutmeg.
Spicy pumpkin.
Cinnamon. That was a little bit. Cinnamon. A lot of cinnamon. Love cinnamon. Pumpkin pie spice. Definitely need pumpkin pie spice. Thankfully, I have some more because, yeah. And we just want to, oh, y'all, this smells so good.
Uh-oh. Is it loose?
Not like before.
You need to use the mixer?
Do I need to put sugar in this? Oh, brown sugar. The mixture. What mixture?
No, the
Oh, no. It's already whipped.
Oh.
Don't try this at home. Not for real. Don't. Okay. Britton, the things I do to like entertain you.
Look at you. What is going on?
Okay, so first thing, we put this down nice and thick. Clearly, I'm not a baker. I don't even have the what's the thing they have that the bakers have?
What?
It's like the thing that spreads stuff.
Rolling pin.
No, to like spread out things.
Oh.
Like
it's like a knife, right?
Like a spatula kind of, but not really.
It looks like a knife spatula combo.
Yeah, kind of.
Like a skinny spatula. I think it's just because you're rushing now, bro.
I should have did even more white.
I think this is good.
Because I feel like you're not going to see this.
Sure, it'll be fun.
Much thicker, I will say that. My oven is still preheated at 375. By the way, in case anybody was following this while it was shaking.
You and your little
It's like of all the things.
That girl. All right, touch it. Mo. You ready to call it? Think that was one fail too many?
Yeah, I'm crying.
Taja, what is going on with you?
Y'all, like, these aren't, like, I'm not crying. Like, I'm not sad, but it's just like... Oh, man. Okay.
Tears. You crying?
Nah, it's not even sad. It's just like, I don't even know. Like, I don't know what's going on.
Oh, baby.
Maybe you're making me nervous. I need to wipe my eyes.
I told you stop rushing.
I wasn't even rushing. I was adding finishing touches.
Oh, I need a hug.
Yeah, let's have to last thing.
Son, what kind of cooking video is this? Like,
Y'all, so me and Ebony used to make cooking videos. I think I mentioned Ebony in the beginning. We used to make cooking videos, and this is probably why, like, I don't make them anymore. But hers are still good. Oh. Man, like...
son. This is OC, bro. Like, OC.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that if we didn't record, like, literally no one would probably believe us. Like, no one would believe that, like, this went so bad.
Okay.
Yeah, but I had to see it through. So.
Got to see it through, my boy. Got to see it through, baby girl. It's okay. You're still my master chef.
Okay.
You're just not a baker, that's all.
Yeah, I feel like my regular food be, like, better.
It
like.
do. It's okay.
But seriously though, like, I'm just like trying to imagine me like telling somebody like, yeah. So then I put it in the oven and I looked at the cheesecake wrapper and it said 8 ounces and I was supposed to use 16. So then I went all the way to the grocery store. Oh, not even all the way, but so then I went back to the grocery store to get more cream cheese to come back while I'm mixing it. The freaking the egg pops out the bowl onto the countertop. Then what happened after that?
Son, I don't
The
know.
cream cheese wasn't even freaking room temperature. Like, Britton had to beat it to get the lumps out. Like,
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, and my head is crooked.
That old UMD hat.
I know.
How many years old is that?
Like,
11?
probably as old as us.
As old as us, Taja. As old as our relationship.
Our relationship. Oh my gosh, I do think this is like the first hat that I bought at Maryland from
Yeah, I
the
think you got
bookstore.
it freshman year.
Yeah. But,
So it's cooking.
It's cooking. What time did I put it in? Y'all, wait, we didn't even finish.
Slim.
So, wait, it's been like 2 minutes. But y'all, I forgot to mention, when I was melting the butter, I'm guessing I opened the microwave too fast, because I flipped. like, this whole thing, the oven and the microwave got cut off.
Yeah, like the microwave still ain't turned back on. You know, that's usually where the time be showing at.
I flipped this, what's it called?
The circuit breaker.
Yeah, like.
That's when, if that part's not edited out, when I was like crunching the graham crackers, everything went black. Tired of messing with the circuit breaker downstairs. Try to fix it.
Then when it's time to assemble it, I'm like, okay, finally. I'm like, I'm doing some finishing touches. The bowl falls into my cheesecake.
Son. Worst cheesecake.
If y'all watch this far, y'all the real one. Like, I don't even know, like.
No. This is OC.
Like, yeah. We're supposed to be baking it for like 40 minutes. After that, it needs to go in the oven for like 3 hours or so. I mean,
in the fridge.
After we bake it, it goes in the fridge for like 3 hours or 4 hours. I mean, it'll probably go in the fridge overnight. I don't even know what time it is.
Your watch battery dead.
My watch is dead. Oh man. Watch battery.
I'll take it to the store for you.
Hey Google, what time is it?
9:28 p.m.
9:28.
So I said we put it in at like 9:25. It had to be maybe 9:20.
If that's 9:28, the video will go for 5 minutes, then it's 9:03. I mean 9:23.
9:23 is when we put it in?
Mm-hmm.
What time did you say?
28.
9:28. It's 9:28 right now? 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 8. Hey Google, set an alarm for 10:08.
There, your alarm set for 10:08 p.m.
How y'all doing today?
Hopefully better than this.
Hopefully better than this. But like, I mean, I'm happy that we can like laugh about this because
Man, because we was really trying to make a good pumpkin fall video for y'all, man. But this thing just kept going wrong after next.
We're gonna show y'all the final product. Well, we'll show you it out the oven and then we'll show you it again once it's chilled. Actually, we're just gonna show y'all when it's chilled and when we cut it into it.
Yeah, when it's
done. Because
I
don't even.
Something else might go wrong.
I'm gonna drop the phone in it, trying to show y'all. Like, we'll talk soon. All right, y'all, today's the next day. We just took the cheesecake out of the fridge. We're about to see if all of that was worth it yesterday. Here we go. Nothing. Let's just show y'all what it looks like.
All right, so this is how it looks from the top.
Yeah, we had it covered in the fridge overnight, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna do like, okay. It does appear to be cheesecake consistency.
Kind of through that crust at the bottom.
Yes.
should have just did like, okay.
Like in the shape of a pumpkin?
No.
Oops. I don't know. What am I doing?
Why are you doing like that? Why are you cut all the way through?
Like how? We don't even know if we're gonna eat it. Okay.
You can see the layers in there. Okay. All right.
Okay. Yeah, like.
You
No,
see the
it's
layers?
in there. You see that? You see it?
Yeah. All right.
Okay, here we go. Again, get into this masterpiece. Oh my gosh. Close.
Not bad. Tastes like cheesecake.
It really do.
Tastes like cheesecake.
Y'all, all of that was worth it.
Not bad at all.
I will say, I could have used more pumpkin spice. Cause like,
I taste the pumpkin.
I tasted it, but I mean, for it to be pumpkin cheesecake, like, I want the pumpkin to stand out more.
That's just because she's obsessed with pumpkins. There's plenty of pumpkin flavor in there for me.
Y'all, I'm just like looking at it and all like, it really tastes like cheesecake.
Don't start crying again.
Y'all, it really tastes like, it really tastes like cheesecake. I'm so happy.
All
I
right.
like it.
There you have it, folks. Pumpkin spice cheesecake.
I hope y'all can make it.
But yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know your thoughts. If you do end up trying this recipe for yourselves, let us know how it turns out. Peace, man.
Don't get the regular graham crackers. Get the cinnamon ones if you don't want to mess up.
Makes all the difference.